Many people believe you need 500 subscribers before you can use the YouTube community tab. Recently, YouTube has started giving some new creators early access to this feature. For example, if you open your YouTube app and the community post is highlighted, asking you to activate or to turn on your community tab, that means YouTube has already enabled it for your channel, even if you have less than 100 subscribers. All you need to do is to tap on it and you'll be able to start posting updates, pictures, video links, polls, and messages to your audience. This is great news for small creators because it allows you to engage with your audience early and also grow your channel faster. YouTube gives some new creators early access to this feature, maybe because their channel is active, they upload videos regularly, and also their content follows YouTube policies. So to activate this feature, this is what you should do. When you open your YouTube app, click on the image below, then tap on your page. Scroll to the left side, click on post. Then go down, click on turn on my community. And that's it. Now let's make one post. Click on the plus sign below. Type in your message, or you can copy and paste your generated text. Once that is done, click on post. And that's it. Let us check the post we just made right now. Can you see it down there? Easy peasy. The importance of this feature is that 1. It helps you to get more engagement on your channel. Build a loyal community. Promote your new videos and also send messages to your audience. So if you have not activated your own, try to do so because it's going to help you a lot. If you find value on this video, just give it a thumbs up. And I would like to read your comments in the comment section. See you on the next one. Bye.